Good morning and welcome to the Novice Anglers. You join me out on the boat today where I've launched off Plymouth. I'm not far out, probably only a mile. The conditions are a little bit worse than they were forecast today, so I'm not sure how far out I will venture today. If they do get a little bit better as the winds drop, which they're meant to, I'll head out to some deep reef and try and catch some nice big fish. But as it stands, I'm about a mile and a half out on a little bit of reef just outside the breakwater really. So we'll see how we get on the day and how the day progresses. If, like I say, if the wind dies down and all looks well, I will head out to some deeper reef and some different sections of reef. It's a nice boat. Right, see if we can catch fish. Wind seems to have died off a little bit. Currently about 18 metres of water. Not too deep. Oh. We're onto a fish. Classic Timu jig doing the business there. Just dead weight in the water at the minute this. We're not deep, so I'm not going to go too wild. Oh my word. It is the smallest female cuckoo wrasse. The reason she had no fight is because she's been foul hooked. Right, you. I'll get her unhooked safely and I will show you. Come on there, my dear. There we go, you're unhooked. There she. Oh, they are spiky. It didn't take long on the metal jig to get a beautiful little cuckoo wrasse. The sun is just rising. Very welcome sight, this beauty. Go on, get yourself back down there. Oh, I missed the fish. Go on, down you go. That's it, we're very shallow, only 18 metres, so fish will go back nicely. Shouldn't hoik them up too quickly. It should go back lovely. That's the drag deployed. I brought us back round on this drift. Same patch of reef that I've just had that little wrasse on. Just dropping down this beat up old 100 gram Timu jig. See what we can pick out off the reef. That's only in 18 metres. There's birds working kind of all over the place really. I'm not going to go chasing them because I've done that before and I end up just wasting time. Just going to bounce this lure on the bottom and oh, something's took me on the way down. There we go. I felt that one take me on the way down. Oh, did it come off? No, it's still there. What have we got here then? It's a cheeky mackerel. Alright, Mr. Mackerel. There's mackerel down there. I'm probably going to get some feathers down. Let's see if we can pick some nice mackerel out. Alright, pack that in there, you. No, I've got you now, alright. There's every possibility. Oh, he spiked me. How do you manage that? Come on, you. Just going to dispatch this mackerel quickly. Right, he's been dispatched. Where are mackerels? Everyone says they don't have scales, but they do. Yeah, beauty little mackerel, that one there. Right, get him in there. So I've moved us out to a section of reef called the Rutts out of Plymouth. 4 or 5 so miles out. I'm not 100% sure on the actual distance, but it's far enough for me for today. I'll chuck my drogue out so I don't drift too crazy. Going down with a 120 gram metal jig and see what we can pick out of this section of reef. Not had many fish today. Cool. It's been an abnormally dry day for fish today down in Plymouth. Not that I have much experience fishing down here. It's the first time I've ever fished this reef specifically, but I mean, everything about it looks like it should hold some nice fish. But I'm just struggling to catch at the moment. Yeah, all the signs are looking good. I can feel that it's a nice reef. I just don't know. Fish don't seem to want to be biting. I just spoke to a mate of mine, Sean, who's out at the Eddystone. He's had his couple bass out there. Had his quota for the day. Well, it seems to be one of those days where the fish don't want to be biting. I've tried loads of different jigs, lures. It's an interesting one, this. Kind of everything's pointing towards it being a good day for fishing. We have just had a storm. Whether or not that's played any part in why the fish aren't feeding, but we'll see. I've just chucked the metal jig down and brought us back round on the drift, but yeah, it's not looking good so far. Definitely on some nice reef. I can feel the reef. I'm just going to have a few drops of this metal jig. If nothing happens, I'm going to chuck a heavier soft plastic on. See if we can't winkle something out here. I think something's taken my... There we go, we're on a fish now. That's better. That's a bit better. Someone took it on the drop then. Not sure what it is. Took it quite high in the water actually. It's just swimming straight towards me, and it's a mackerel. Do not come off, because he's a nice sized mackerel. He's going in the tub. Bloody mackerel. So that's all I'm going to be catching today, is mackerel. I'm going to move on to a soft plastic now. I can't seem to be pulling anything out with the metal jigs, so just try and work a soft plastic. The tide's running a little bit quicker than I'd like, but I'll see if I can work this. Get it down to the bottom, bob it along, and then give it a little retrieve, and then see if I can just keep doing that. Oh yeah, it's been a funny old day so far. Very quiet on the fish. This is the second time I've been out early morning and the fishing's been quiet. I wonder if it will pick up as the day goes on. Be interesting to see for sure. Everyone always says early morning or evening is the best time to be fishing, but evening for me does it. I've not had much success in the morning. Maybe it's the way I'm fishing, I'm not sure. Oh God, nearly fell in. Not the nicest conditions out there today. Right, that's the bottom. Ah, there's a fish. It's a nicer fish as well. Just goes to show. Change up what you're doing. Could be that I've just drifted straight into a patch of fish. I'm saying this is a pollock. Could just be that the change of lure did that for me. Oh, there's so many variables in fishing, it's insane. Bring this fish up nice and slowly. I'm saying it's a pollock. It's given up all sorts of fight. It's kind of just given up the ghost. So we've got a couple head bangs actually, but yeah, it's definitely a telltale sign of a pollock. Up he comes. Oh God, it's nice to catch a fish. Feel the rod bend. Felt like it had been ages. Yeah, there's a pollock. Lovely sized pollock. He is what I would call an eating size pollock for me. Hooked perfectly. Give yourself some line, Richard. He is hooked perfectly on the top of the lip, and that's the lazy lure that I switched on to. Soft plastic, yeah. This one's going to be coming in with me. I'm going to get him dispatched and I'll bring him back when we're done. So that was the 40-gram bomb squad that did the damage on that fish there. That was its first drop of the day as well. Whether or not I just come into a school of pollock, whether or not it was the change of lure. There's a saying in fishing, it's called match the hatch. And it basically just means match whatever they're eating. So if you can just figure out what they're going for, you've got a better chance of catching a fish. Send it straight back down and see if we can get another one. I'm going to go back and do another drift, but what I'm going to do is I've got a little earth bar that I've made a little rig up with about 8 foot hook length onto a clip, and I sling a soft plastic on the end, and I'm going to bob that on the bottom with a weight and see if that picks out any more fish for me. Seems to be the soft plastics that are doing the job, but I'm drifting in such a pace that I'm struggling to get down with the 40 grammers. I'm in 40 to 50 metres of water at the minute, but then we are down there saying that, so we are now down on the bottom. Something hit me then. Give that a little drop back down. See if whatever just hit me then doesn't want to come back and have a little nibble. Yeah, there's a fish, you see. Oh, it's come off. Whatever did have it was let go. I'll say that's something with a small mouth. It felt very headbangy, and oh, something came up in the water and absolutely smashed this. I was just retrieving it in because I got snagged on the bottom. It's got loads of headbangs, this has. Whatever this is, came up out of the reef to take it. I changed over from oh hello, oh it's a nice bass. That'll be coming in with me then. Come here, mate. That's a lovely sized bass, that one. Phew, I could do with a few more of them today, make this trip a little bit better. Oh, he's a beautiful sized bass. I'd say this is a perfect bass for eating for me. He's a bit of a chunky boy as well. Let's get him. Let's get some fur. Oh, that's just out of my net. Bit of bait elastic there. I mean, if there's bass there, I'm going to get my lure straight back down Don't spit it just yet. Oh, he got me. Oh, you got me, he got me, got me. There he is. Wow. This soft plastic lure here from Lazy Lures has had me many a bass. And yes, I've had to glue it, and yes, it's still working. An absolute treat. That is a 55 centimetre bass. I'm going to get him dispatched. He's coming in with me. I'm going to get that lure straight back down there if there's bass kicking around. Oh, come on, Mr. Basses. Get you sorted here. Well, these fish are making me work hard for them today. Nothing on that last drift. I did exactly the same drift in which I had that bass. Not even a nibble. Not even a cheeky pollock. So I've moved on to a metal jig now. See if the jig will do me any better. Just wanted something a little bit heavier that I'm not trailing behind the boat. Oh, there we go. There's a fish. Thank God for that. Pollock by the feel of it. Not an overly big one either. They're right on the middle of the reef. Oh, got a few head shakes here. Yeah, it's just a cheeky pollock. Little schoolie. Thank you, Mr. Pollock. Poke right in the side of the lip. Right, we don't want him out of the water for any longer than he needs to be, so we get him chucked down. Make sure he's gone. And he has. The little ones always seem to go back a bit better than the big ones. Little schoolies kind of like just torpedo, give them a torpedo and they just go down really nicely. Strange, isn't it? The bigger ones do struggle. Hey ho. See if we can't pick something else out off the reef. Oh, there we go. Something's come up and took me there. That feels a bit better. Feels a lot better, that one, whatever that is. Something come and took me. It's generally a pollock that'll come up out of the reef and take it and zoom back down. This feels like a nicer pollock, I must admit. Bring him up nice and slowly, just in case. Oh, hello. Got a bit of fight still. It's got a bit of energy, this one has. It could be a nice sized pollock. Not very often they have fight this high, this far up. Is it a pollock? I mean, it feels like a pollock. I'm calling pollock. Unless it's being chased by something, which I'm hoping it's not. Still got loads of fight in it. What have we got here then? Oh, it's just a good size, nice sized pollock. Not even a big pollock, just a regular sized pollock, that one. Get him on the deck. God, loads of lice on him. Perfect. Oh, can't see. right on the side of the lip, just there, on the metal jig. I mean, this is perfect size pollock for me. As you know, I'm not a big fan of them, the bigger ones. I find them a bit wormy. Whereas like this size, generally between like, get this hook out of him before I cause myself a mischief. I generally find anywhere between 55 and 60 is a nice size, and this is a 58 centimetre pollock, so he's coming in with me. I'm going to get him dispatched and I'll bring you back. Just get that metal jig back down there nice and quickly. I've dispatched that pollock. I'm not going to be able to get out, I don't think, again for another couple of weeks now. The weather is just absolutely turning and the wind's strong and it's just not very good, so I will be taking a little bit more than I normally would today, as I'm not going to be out for a few weeks. There we go, something's come up and taken that one as well. What are you then? Lots of headbangs on this one. Couldn't tell you what this is. Couldn't tell you. I'll bring it up nice and slowly anyway. Probably a mackerel. I'd say how high up it was a mackerel. Yeah, just a mackerel. I say just a mackerel, mackerel's flipping lovely. See, that metal jig is half the size of that mackerel. Oh, I've dispatched him. Absolute madness. Half the size of the lure and that mackerel's just come and taken them. Right, I'm going to bleed everywhere. Get that blood washed off, get him in the box. So he can come in with me. Beautiful. Let's get this metal jig back down there and see if we can pick something else up while we're on this drift. So we've done 2 drifts of this reef now, and we've had 2 pollock, a bass, a mackerel. Yeah, I'm going to move on and do a slightly different drift of a bit of reef further inland. Not too far, but just a little bit. See if there's anything else we can pick out. So I've moved us on to this 40-gram soft plastic. It's like a khaki green. This is my first cast with this lure ever. Oh, gannet just come straight past. I thought we were going to dive for it. That'd have been a nuisance. It is quite choppy out here today, not going to lie. I've probably got a couple more drifts in me, and then I'm going to head into Plymouth and see if I can find somewhere to nice and calm to do some bream fishing. The waves out here are starting to get to me a little bit, I must admit. Just giving this lure plenty of time to get down to the seabed. And I would say that he is there. And we're on a fish. What this fish is, oh, you little swine. That was a heavy fish. Hopefully he'll come and take it again. That was a heavy fish. And we're back on. Be the same fish, will you? Oh, I don't think it is, but... No idea what this is just as of yet. Just holding heavy. Oh. really feel like a pollock. Like, you know, pollock has like a few really distinct pull downs, like it panics and goes, whoop, whoopsie daisy, I took something I shouldn't have eaten. Whereas this kind of like just you know, swimming round, bit of a pull down, swimming round, bit of a pull down. That's just a pollock who didn't know he's hooked. Or a foul hook pollock maybe. Oh, here we go. There's a few head bangs. There we go. I think it's seen the boat. Or a shark has taken it. What are you? I'm sure all I do is catch pollock and bass. This has still got a bit of fight in him though. He's fighting all the way up. I'm not going to bully him in, just going to reel him in nice and gently. Just holding in the water. Trying to figure out what this could be that's just holding me here. Where are you? I can't even see any colour yet. This fish took it right on the seabed. Where are you? Right. It's coming up now. It's just a stonking pollock. Not even that big a pollock, he's just taken that absolutely engulfed that lure. Come on, you rascal. Yeah, not even a particularly big pollock, that one. Beautiful, but... Right, let's get that lure out of you before anything else, mate. Oh, no. Well, I'm glad that happened while you were in my boat. The line just came off. Let's see if I can grab this lure before this pollock just completely engulfs it. Oh dear. This pollock's coming home. He's not had a very good time there. Anyway, he properly engulfed that lure. He's a nice sized pollock, that one. Unfortunately, he's going to have to come home with me because the hook went into its gill and he's bleeding pretty badly. So he's going to come home with me. I'll sort him out now and I'll bring you back. Whew. Going down with the orange soft plastic, see if he can winkle me something out. The reason I'm changing lures and jigs and all that sort of stuff so much is because it's a new patch of reef to me. I've not fished it before, so I just want to know what colours work in, what colours, you know, if it's soft plastics that are working better, if it's metal jigs that are working better, and I can be really boring, like a proper boring old man, and note it all down. So the next time I'm here, I can kind of go straight to those things instead of faffing around trying to figure out what to use. That's a theory behind it anyway. Oh, and there's a fish. Just like that. Change colour, there's a fish. I don't know what this fish is either. Came up and hit it. Oh, this swell's kicking my ass. Putting up a fair old head bang. Nice if it was a bass, it's fighting like a bass. It'll just be a schooly pollock, which is what it is. Yep, just a little schooly pollock. But they always seem to fight pretty well, schooly pollocks. I say schooly. He's a mid-sized pollock, this one. Got the gob right in there. Got the lure right in his gob. There he is. Let's Get him out and get him back down. Give me my lure back, mate. He's not yours. There we go. Lovely. Right, get yourself back down there, mate. See you in a couple of years. See, just change the lure and the fish start biting. It's just madness, isn't it? It's just trying to figure out. It's like the never-ending game of what the fish will eat, what they won't eat. Yeah. See if we can pick out another one anyway. Sorry, I'm not very talkative. I've not feeling overly well today. And it's not for anything other than this swell and wind. Cool, it's kicking my ass is what it's doing. Not to worry. Right, that there is the bottom. Absolutely is the bottom for sure. Would love to have had another bass. Like I said, I'm not going to be able to get out for another couple of weeks now, I don't think. But yeah, you win some, you lose some, don't you? The wind, the weather is just coming in dreadful. Definitely on the bottom. We're onto a fish now. I've not changed my drag. We have a fish. He's putting a good old bend in the rod, this one. Oh, hello. Go on. Take it. Woo. He's holding strong in the tide. Wow. What do we have there then? This is another nice sized pollock. I'm sure I'm the pollock wrangler, me. I'm the pollock man. Come on now. Oh, gotcha. Right. Absolutely beautifully hooked. Haha, look at that. Doesn't get much better. Oh, that swell nearly got me, nearly fell in. Whew. Right, got a few photos of him. Like I say, guys, I'm not going to be out for another few weeks now, I don't think, a couple of weeks. So he's coming home with me. I'm going to take what I can get today, and it should keep me fed for the next few weeks. I'll bring you back once I've dispatched this fish. Will something come up and take my lure? Oh. Took this quite high up. Pollock, I reckon. I think I'm just a pollock wrangler. That's what I am. If there's pollock there, I can catch them. I'll catch them all. I'm sure there's other things in the ocean other than pollock. I mean, that is a beautifully hooked pollock. Right. Oh, he's come out and the pollock's gone back down. Thank God for that. Probably for the best. Oh, go on, go on. Get yourself back down there, Mr. Pollock. Right, you have to go around and get him because he ain't going to go down us. I'll get him on the descender. Oh, bloody hell. I'm going to go get that pollock quickly, all right? I shall be back. Well, that is it for me today. The conditions have got dreadful. Wind has picked right up, swell's picked up. The opposite to what it was meant to do, but these things happen. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Catch you on the next one.